This is Aaron's first cast of his new pro rod. Nice cast. Aaron caught something. What'd you catch? His first catch with his new pro rod. Ladies and gentlemen, what do we got? Oh yeah, big fish, Aaron.
Yeah, it's gonna be funny.
Oh man, you're fighting it. Oh, this is Aaron catching a big one. I don't know what it is.
I know.
Maybe it is, Aaron. Man.
I thought you were tricking me.
Nah, I felt it. I had my hand in the line. I felt it. Is it still there?
Yes.
Ooh. Should catch, boy. Let's see. I see it. I see it. Oh, it's a catfish, Aaron. That's a catfish, baby. Look at that. Nice catch, Aaron.
What the?
What do we use for bait, Aaron? Tell them.
Popeye chicken.
Popeye chicken, baby.
I got a catfish.
What you gotta do? I'll hold it up for you, okay? Actually, we don't want to hurt it, do we? So we just leave it right there. You duck down. I take a picture of you guys together. Hold the weight. Hold the weight. Now just hold the weight. You want to hold him by the fin? He's too big, Eric. He's slippery too. I have to help you. You ready? Picture. Cheese. Let me back up. It's so big. Aaron, look.
Cheese.
Hmm?
Look.
Don't get your feet wet,
No, look.
dude.
It's not.
No, it's still gonna go into your socks, bro. So, want to tell them where you're at? Back up a little bit. Tell them where you're at.
I'm at the river.
What river is this?
Huh?
What river is this?
This Penn's Landing River.
The Delaware River.
Delaware River.
Yeah, we're not the Penn's Landing area, but no, this is same river though, right? Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm at the Delaware River in North Philadelphia, and I caught my first catfish, and I'm gonna make my another cast. So watch the video. You'll see it. Ready? Get set. Go. Count for me.
3, 2, 1.